Menteri Jakarta Public Health Engineering Marcus Marak, lembar Chief Executive Engineer ba RS Nongbri hakahriu terik Jemang, kilalum ya kejingnya lang barki kontraktor ki badan hakalama jangka khasi jantia Government Contractors and Suppliers Association ha Conference Hall ka PHE, banyak sani halor kejing bagi kontraktor ki pentrei ya ka scheme sam Jal Jeevan Mission ki ya kendo. Kam tam habayade bagajing saateng ki bil jengki ke balakot syaka khandai spa kulur tam. Habakran syakilat pathai Khubor Menteri ulapan pau kajing selam ban pelat ya ka bil jengki kontraktor kadai namar ke Sorkar India kelabu bun teliki kendon. Ulapan pau da ka baong kajing selam kadai ru namar kajing bampat IT ka District Council ya ka Utilization Certificate syaka Sorkar India. Nalor kata ulaong ke Khuborjylla Shen kan salit mi Shanong ba Delhi banyak ran berke Sorkar India ban kerpat bahkan pelat no eka pisah nang ban siu no eki bil jengki. Kumta ula kentu eki kontraktor ban gesha mentah Shkor.
That you had with the contractors?
Today, I had a meeting with the contractor association leaders of Khasi Jantia portion. So this was pertaining to the pending bills of JJM, which has been executed by our contractors here. So I've told them many regions, earlier government of India has put so many criteria that you fulfill these criteria, then payment will be given to you. But after completing all the criteria, now so many issues started coming back again. Like Jal Ankalan. Jal Ankalan is a kind of a social audit which have to be project-wise ID has to be created, and then it is if it is not functional, the reason thereof, and then if it is functioning very good. So therefore these are the issues which Government of India has put in. And then other one was operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance part also we have already completed, and Government of Meghalaya has already notified. But now we are stuck up with the 15 Finance Commission tied fund which was given to the district councils. So now district councils were not given any utilization certificate to the Government of India. Now Government of India is putting a condition that you submit this utilization certificate to the Government of India, then we will start releasing the JJM fund. So Government of Meghalaya is working on it. Chief Minister had a meeting with different officials, and District Council Affairs Minister has also had a meeting several times. Chief Secretary is also from his level having the meetings around several rounds now. So we are hoping to get this also done, and once everything is done, we are hoping to go through all the conditions that have been given to us. So I have requested all our contractors to have some more patience because we are trying our level base. I personally has already gone to the Government of India. We had a meeting with C.R. Patilji. We had our officers are regularly having meetings with Government of India officials to fulfill the criteria they are putting up. And from our Chief Minister's level also have given several letters. We are putting our all pressures, but Government of India has not started paying. They have not paid to any states till now. So therefore, I think we are again planning to put some more pressure. I have already requested Honorable Chief Minister again. Since now the mood for BJP is very good. They have won the elections in Bengal, they have won the elections in Assam. This is the good move. I think we should go to Delhi and we should request for these payments and all. That's what my request to our Honorable Chief Minister. So we are hoping to get all kinds of the same payments and kinds of assistance that Government of India has to do. So our respected contractor leaders, they have also understood the situation that we are facing, and I hope I was able to convince them to have some more patience to wait for the bills to make the payments. Thank you.
Sir, one
So occasions we have gone to Delhi. They have also called our meeting, and we have attended several times in Delhi. Very recently we have gone for a Jal Jeevan 2.0 MOU signing also. There also we have discussed the issues regarding the pending bills.
So you mentioned the 15 commission. There is any rule from the government side?
Sorry. In the sense, the money was given to the district council, 15 finance commission tight fund. The money was given to the district councils. 100 crore was given to Meghalaya through district councils, KHADC, GHADC and JHADC, I think. So that utilization certificate were pending.
So after submission of the utilizing certificate, likely by what time is this fund?
I don't have any idea. Our officials are working on that. Even Chief Secretary is also working on that issue.
To ka jungi kenduk jungi mentah batu Minister in charge Uchi dan jungi ke President dia Government Contractor and Supplier Association tinggal ya benda keren Shkor dia jungi keren kelane apa Shillong jungi keren yang apa gunba te nak kalian jungi ni pau jadi so kan nomor yo ya kalat yo benda kenduk yo Minister in charge terkait dengan officers juga DHC department dega jinge keren ke jumi kelomba kejing selam ni ke DJM kumtu kumbang laju ni pi mat baka dehi da kejing pembun juga Sorkar India kita ki kot kisla bagi haban tembiang negerian jong officer kibo di kot kibo pe kena komentar so slay ke bisa nama ba net na kabansi bidan ke ba wat ada ke dei si stiro mat bagi haban wan trek mat tembiang di kot kisla na Khuborjylla lain nak ke jin setelah komentar si lomba kalian jong minister lomba long ini ba kat ba tempat wan na ka telefon na central government kelong bayin tahu kalat kelenti kawan pendiok na funds ba menemar kata dan ya kena ke kam kelong bayin nang ya keren bat gede ke page ke finance dan kelong na kalian itu bi kini nanti kelong ba kata ke jingom ke jumbo nasi kan yarap ini ke empat ai ke asuran mengelola kasi dari kemen bakat saya jian shen mar mudai berjulia kendung kumne man kepo.
Kumbakan usam ba line up ni lebih lebih.
Kene ke bil tiga kadon na jong contractors kiba yo on pendat kidon nomor kiba hak tu kiba mensua kiba dan yo dangwan ke tikena ka phone ro lomba tip na ke daw ke jing slam tu di thak party kadan ke jing bon patla bar submit ke ki engineer consent na division di bopir ke jing po Islam dan bil jemla syu ban siu itu ke por badan don pisah kidon ki bala don hadu ba saus namro kidon ki bala isnamro de rei bubun pede ke dehi nadu benai April jom menu usnam arajar apsau hadu buda kaba ke bubun ni ki contractors lo ki khamyo bil syu de kanene ka blok sha ke jue bakrau bat mi skwa man tu ipi hang ne ha happy ki press ki media ro nak kalian ke jongi kom geseng la pampau ro ki susi namar ki don nak kalian jongi para contractors ki jongi ke bang nyum kwa ban jer keteng namar ke jur pelat ke pressure namar ki simlun na bang ki sim ki tiar na ki dukan ni hardware kemat bahadu bagila suicide ki jongi bro kadang nang ne pori ki jongi ida susi e baka jia ka kum gene de rengi nak kalian jongi kum ka seng ida karpat e ya ki brok ki pra contractors kelong ba ngimdei ban le kum ta nin ya ap ni sha kum kejat benriu ku ba ju klan ke jumut ke jing berhak kelong ba ni so ban apil ba ngimdei ban le hadu kata bang sim lu jong jem tena kalian ni pi ru bi kwa ba ke si so dan bok ke pau lam ni ke ni ka pau ke jongi ba ni la susi ban ngim kwa ai ru ban ya thu kerteng mano ita dari kala don ke ba tentang ini diklihat nation kebajian kum ketaro dan mar kata ni nget ba ka Sorkar ke sukhya hadu baki dreu kan siam lagi jong kejim tang namar ba kimio syu ya ka bisa bala pelut namar ke jingwan ke jing pressure na ki angel ki ba kweru hadu ban pui ta ka hadu kata ka ban dekat ke lagi jong kejim ki berang sa ro ki dambut namar ba nagaleng jong ni kum ki contractors ki babun mot ki le SP no namar ba ka jing bomio bisa kalau mula syu ban kersan di kebetulan ya tray melumalar gitu tray kita susahnya no unturu nomor ba kita asyuk ban siu nom tray ban piar kita ro dan mar kata kalau long lada kan ke skim kam ya back kan kalau mending ke jing nong yang ni di contractors kalau ro ke jing nong yang pai ba nomor ba ke jing wa ba nong ba pen pui man ke cilir long ba kana mla ban urlong nomor ba terus nam arajara putra long takkan no mot kot